So I would say a very important unmet need in carotid artery stenting is the fact that we are looking for sustained embolic protection. What does it mean? Once we have implanted the stent, we want to achieve a very good plaque coverage, because during angioplasty, during stent placement, in a tight stenosis, in a carotid artery stenosis, we have broken up the plaque material. And since we have done that, we want to use some kind of implant, a device, ideally a closed cell design stent who covers this plaque, who avoids any plaque protrusion into the lumen and therefore prevents against any distal embolization into the brain. So since 2014 we work with the dual layer stent technology, for example with the Roadsaver stent or later on with the Seaguard stent. And what is unique with the dual layer is it's somewhat self-explaining. You have a nitinol skeleton, it's a braided stent or a laser-cutted open cell design, and then it's covered, surrounded, or in the inner surface you have a micronet or some kind of nitinol net. And this combination, this dual layer, explains the stent, makes the stent unique, and can be summarized as dual layer or micromesh stent technology. For the moment, as investigators, as physicians, there are two devices on the market. In Europe it's the Seaguard device, it's the Roadsaver device, or also known as the Casper device. And in the US we had a trial which evaluated a different device, another device, but the latter one, is not yet on the market, and at the moment we really don't know whether it will brought into the market or not. But with the currently available devices, I would say these have certain advantages over other stent devices, either closed or open cell stents, and therefore we use them very, very often during our daily practice. For these new device technology, the dual layer or the micromesh technology, we have no randomized controlled trials available against surgery or best medical treatment for the treatment of asymptomatic or symptomatic carotid artery stenosis. We don't have any comparisons, head-to-head comparisons, meaning comparing one device against the other available. We have some data concerning the Roadsaver device from our center. We performed the first in men data publication on the Roadsaver stents we implanted first, but we participated also to the ClearRoad trial with more than 100 patients, and these first data have shown very, very promising results. The same we have with the Seaguard. It started with the CareNet trial and so on, and the Scaffold trial, for example, evaluates a third device constructed or sponsored by Gore. But there are ongoing data collections, and I want to highlight the data collection from Terumo company. It's a big registry trial with with exactly 2,000 patients collected all over Europe at different high volume sites to further evaluate the outcome or potential limitations of this new technology.